Yo guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create these viral motivational wallpapers you've been seeing all over Instagram, especially on IG page 11 Stoic. This post get millions of views and this page is easily making $20,000 to $40,000 per month. Not gonna lie, these pages are blowing up right now. And the crazy part is, it's actually super easy to make. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this in Photoshop step by step. First, let's see how to get these images. I usually use Pinterest. Just search for cinematic wallpapers and you'll find a lot of great options. You can also try variations like cinematic F1, movies, or football, anything that looks powerful. I like this one, so let's download it. Now open Photoshop and click on New File. You can either use the same settings as mine or go with a 4 to 5 ratio. I personally like using larger dimensions for better quality. Now just drag and drop your image into Photoshop and resize it to fit the canvas. Next, go to Select Subject to automatically select the main subject. Then press Ctrl plus J to duplicate it. This helps create that depth effect later. Now select the text tool or press T on your keyboard and add your quote. Keep it simple. Make the main text bigger, bold, and well aligned so it stands out. Now place the text layer between the original image and the duplicated subject. This makes it look like the text is behind the subject. Change the blending mode to overlay to give it that nice gradient effect. You can also experiment with other blending modes. For the blur effect, convert the text layers into a smart object. Then go to Filter Blur Gallery Field Blur. Adjust the blur and position based on what looks good. Then click OK. Now create a new merge layer by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E. Convert it into a smart object. Then go to Filter, then select Camera Raw Filter. Here you can adjust things like contrast, clarity, grain, vignette, and shadows. Just play around until it looks good, then click OK. Finally, go to Filter, then Noise, then click Add Noise, and set the value to around 6. It gives that cinematic effect to the picture. And yeah, you just made a viral cinematic poster. I'll also create another version in a slightly different style for beginners to understand the process again and better also try to create one yourself. It's a speed art, but the steps are mostly the same. Like I said, it's actually way easier than it looks. If you stay consistent with this, you can grow a page really fast. So yeah, if this helped, drop a like. Follow me on Instagram, handle is below in the description. And subscribe for more content like this. See you soon.